Hi guys, my name is Collins AJ, and if you're like me, I love to be very intentional about growth. And one of the ways to grow is actually setting goals. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple way you could actually create your goals for 2021. So the first thing you want to do is get a sheet of paper and draw a line in between the paper, right? So on one side of the paper, you write your personal goals. On the other side, you write your financial goals. So personal goals could carry things like where you want to travel to, basically how many books you want to read, all this type of stuff. So you have that on one side. You could make it as long as possible, but bear in mind that it has to be a smart goal. So for those of us that are new to SMART goals, SMART stands for specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time bound. Right? So when you're done writing all your goals, both the financial or business goals and personal goals, what you want to do is create tags. You tag each and every single goal by quarters. Quarter one, you write Q1, quarter two, you write Q2. Basically, you're trying to break down the goals into various quarters for the year. I've realized that a lot of people overestimate what they can achieve in a year and underestimate what they can achieve in quarters. So when you break it down to quarters, it helps you stay focused on what you want to achieve for the quarter, basically, right? So after you're done giving each of your goals tags like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, what you want to do is take out the Q1 goals for your personal and financial goals and write it in a separate sheet of paper, right? When you're done with that, you take every single goal and create an actionable step. So, for instance, if your goal is to read 4 books in the first quarter, one of the actionable steps could be basically reading a reading a chapter a day, basically. So you get the idea. So you don't just want to write goals, you also have to create actionable steps and attach a timeline to them, right? That actually keeps you accountable, that actually makes you disciplined to follow through on your goals. So this is basically how I do it. First thing, I draw a line in between, separate my personal from my financial goals, and then I tag the goals like basically Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And after that, I create the actionable steps that I would use to follow through on my goals. So I urge you to try it out. If you have any questions, you could always hit me up, send me a message. I will be open to respond. I hope this was helpful. I hope this helps anyone. I hope this helps someone. If it does, please kindly share to as many of your friends that will probably be looking for this. All right, thank you and have an amazing 2021. Bless.